Dear students, welcome to all in my lecture. The today topic of the lecture which we will study is structure and function of coenzyme B12. We know that vitamin B12 is highly essential for our health, and it has been found only in animals and microorganisms, and it is not found in plants. As a coenzyme, it acts as a coenzyme, and in the coenzyme the position occupied the cyanide ion in vitamin B12, whose structure can be given as the structure here for very complex and large structure of vitamin B12 oblique coenzyme B12. Here R is cyanide ion for cyanocobalamin, R CH vitamin B12 alpha, CH3 methyl vitamin B12. Then different value of R gives different naming for vitamin B12. It is naturally occurring organometallic compound, and in this structure cobalt is directly nickel attached to or linked to carbon atom in octahedral form. And here we see that in octahedral complex ring 15 members, 4 nitrogen ring linked, and the system is called corene. It is evident from the structure that all the side chain attached to corene are acetamide and propionamide. Here we see that the side chain are acetamide and propionamide, and whereas one of these is isopropyl residue attached to ribose and ultimately terminated as 5,6-dimethylbenzimidazole, which is cobalt ion via ring nitrogen atom. Here with these that here in the last the heterocyclic compound is directly attached to cobalt via nitrogen atom. And in this structure it has been found that most of the reaction which occurs in presence of coenzyme B12 takes through free radical. Therefore we can say that the reaction generally takes through free radical mechanism and by the homolytic cleavage of cobalt carbon bond. And generally, we know that in free radical reaction there is homolytic cleavage, means the shared electrons takes away by the atoms attached to it, and hence it can be said that vitamin B12 serves as a free radical source to start a rearrangement reaction, and hence vitamin B12 coenzyme is bonded by an enzyme in presence of its substrate. The cobalt carbon bond in vitamin B12 undergoes homolysis because it gives free radical mechanism. Due to weak covalent bond between cobalt and carbon, 5' of deoxyadenosyl group The homolytic cleavage of cobalt carbon bond takes places are easily giving cobalt 2 species and deoxyadenosine radical, which can be shown as. Here we see that here is the structure of coenzyme vitamin B12, and it is abbreviated as AD. It is a Corine ring in the circle in which cobalt 30 is present, and it is adenosyl group. It is a heterocyclic ring, and now after homolytic cleavage, a free radical is formed and cobalt 2 is formed here. Then through this system, reaction takes place by homolytic cleavage or by free radical mechanism. Now on this basis, we can consider the reaction catalyzed by coenzyme B12, and the main reaction given by coenzyme B12 are mainly insertion of methyl group into the main chain, and the second is isomerization of amino group from primary to secondary carbon atom. And then these are the two main reactions, means methyl groups come in between the two carbon atom, and there is isomerization of amino group from primary to secondary carbon atom, and here we see beta methyl aspartate. Here there is methyl group. Now a methyl group comes in between, and CH2 is formed, and the another compound glutamate is formed, and in this process the enzyme is glutamate mutase and coenzyme B12. Another reaction, methyl malonyl coenzyme A, in which there is a methyl group in the side chain. Now it comes in between. That is, there is insertion, and the succinyl coenzyme A is formed. So here we see in the two reaction, the methyl group comes in between. Similarly, here the methyl group comes in between, and a secondary methyl group is inserted into the main chain. Now there is isomerization. Here there is primary amino group in the terminal. Now it's come to second carbon atom. So we can say that amino group isomerizes from a primary to secondary carbon atom. The amino group was on the first position. Now it comes on the secondary carbon, and there is another type of reaction given by coenzyme B12. We know that coenzyme B12 also catalyzes a reaction in which ethanolamine is converted into acetaldehyde and propane 1,2-diol to propanoldehyde. Here we see in the reaction ethanolamine, which is converted into acetaldehyde, CH3COH or CH3CHO, and ammonia is formed. In the second reaction, here is 1,2-propanediol. It is converted into propanaldehyde in presence of coenzyme B12. Through the intermediate hydrate is first formed, Then after dehydration, propanaldehyde is formed. Therefore, we see the structure of vitamin B12 oblique coenzyme B12 is complex in which octahedral cobalt complex has been found, and it is very complex structure and it is necessary and vital for our life. Vitamin B12 as a coenzyme, it is very it gives very important reaction, mainly insertion of methyl groups and isomerization of primary amino group from primary to secondary carbon atom, and there is it also catalyzes another types of reactions, that is ethanol amine to acetaldehyde and propane 1 to diol to propanaldehyde. So it is very important coenzyme for in biochemical reactions. Hence, here we have studied the structure and the function of coenzyme vitamin B12. Thank you very much.